Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'm here with Angel and Brandon.
Angel's Fence Building.
Angel's Fence Building. Same guy here, a couple ex-Marines. Right on. Thank you for your service.
All dirty.
Check it out. So check it out. He's building me a new gate. Well, I better say us, but check it out. It's going to be a steel frame gate.
Putting these little tabs on here, just measuring them out for the wood shiplap that's going to go on.
Awesome.
So we've got the shiplap already pre-painted. We're using like a high gloss enamel on this over top of some self-etching primer.
So he's so basically the guys that did the landscaping for the pool, which was I showed you in the last episode 4 of that pool install. I let them take down that gate there so they can fix or drive through their little mini excavator. What do they call those things?
Bobcat.
Yeah, they had a tiny little mini bobcat. They needed at least 34 inches to get through it. My gate opening was 32, so the gate had to go. I allowed it, so it gave us a chance to upgrade to a better gate. And these guys are artisans here, and I saw their pictures online. And they serve. You guys serve Ventura County.
Just Ventura County.
Just Ventura County, and maybe if you give them a bonus, we'll go up to Santa Barbara or LA. You never know. And we're getting a modern style gate, kind of match the house. I've seen his pictures. I think it's going to look out pretty cool.
Yeah. How long you said you've been doing your YouTube channel?
I've been doing YouTube for 2 years, I think. 2 years. This channel, so this is 3 days away. Or no, 3 days away. My barbecue channel, we've been doing for about 2 years. It took us over a year to get monetized, to get just 1,000 subscribers. Hey babe, what do you think?
You're busy.
He's helping us market.
Don't put me on your camera. Get off.
Oh, you know when you say that, I put you on.
See what happens to you.
Yeah, this thing's going to be strong.
Oh, well, that would take down my whole wall.
Hey babe, how long have you been doing YouTube?
What?
How long have you been doing YouTube?
Sorry, I'm in your shot.
I'm
Oh,
not
sorry.
doing any YouTube.
What?
What are you talking about? It is taller, right?
Yeah, it's 6 foot. Should be 6 foot.
Yeah, this is
Way taller.
Yeah.
a little, well, it's about 6 feet.
It's the height of the brick wall. No sense going higher. All right, as you can see, this door is finished, and I don't think I locked myself out. Oh shit! Did I? Well, I think I could reach that. Oh, I can probably get. Well, we'll open it up later. But Angel, awesome job, dude. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
You guys, be sure to check him out. Hey, on Instagram, how does someone get a hold of you if they want to?
So you can go to Angels with no apostrophe _ fence _ building, and you should see the logo there.
Right on. Does great work, guys. As you can see, this is a unique gate, and you know, I don't really get into gates much, but when the old one got knocked down, I found Angel's work online, and I like the style, and I think it looks really cool, pretty badass. So I really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
And you guys, be sure to subscribe, like this video if you want, comment down below, and be sure to get a hold of Angel right here in the 805 Ventura area for all your building needs. And also, what's your future project you're mentioning? Straightening motorcycle frames?
Oh yeah, we're looking to basically get a shop going, pulling motorcycle frames,
Straightening
straightening them. Yeah,
crashed bikes.
Yeah, so typically, yeah, if you wreck a bike, you know, a lot of the times the insurance company will just total it out because frame repair is too expensive, and kind of came across this newer way of straightening frames where we don't need to pull the drivetrain out of the motorcycle, and so I think it's going to be a moneymaker, and so, yeah, if you feel like investing, drop us a line on Instagram.
All right, cool. I've definitely had a few motorcycles in the past we won't talk about right now that I've needed frame straightening. I couldn't find any. And here in Ventura County, I don't think there is anybody straightening motorcycle frames. So give him some encouragement. Go follow him on Instagram and keep track of where he's going with this adventure of his. And hopefully you get started here soon.
Oh, thank you.
A TV remote thrown at me this morning in my house.
Oh, man, babe, you're not going to throw a TV remote at me, right?
No, 'cause
I'm pretty sure she did it subconsciously.
I'm not gonna ruin anything I paid for.
You didn't pay for me. Oh, you mean something else. Cool.